CWC member of All India Congress Committee Gaikhangam has stressed on the need for resolute leaders like Sardar Patel and Indira Gandhi in tackling threats faced by Manipur and India. The Congress leader said this on the sideline of 149th birth anniversary observance of Sardar Patel and 40th death anniversary observance of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, which was held at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today. Speaking further, Gaikhangam recalled the contributions of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and informed that her birthday is celebrated as National Integration Day every year. On the other hand, commenting about Sardar Patel, Gaikhangam said, after independence, Sardar Patel served as Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India, and he played a vital role in uniting India. Gaikhangam further added that India needs visionary leaders like Indira Gandhi and Sardar Patel in order to tackle issues faced by Manipur and the nation. Kundrakpam MLA Thokchom Lokeshwar along with other Congress leaders attended the program.
Indira ji gumba, Sardar Patel gumba, thona leba, achum bada mating thokna leba kitamakta ay Ithawai Kalos Kachige, Haidana Katopagaman leaders, I could Matautai, Manipur, India, Yigma Mayan, Kweshella Dona, Kari Kamatodana, Tokata, Zige Haidna, Singer Mayam, Masibu, Naktoxi Havatadi, Tona Lebi, Indira Gumbi, Tona Leba, Madabai Patel Gumba, Erecta leadership, chain Bashi, Matautai, Hypoxians, Pigeoning.